Okay, let's turn over to page 118 and we're going to be doing question 2 together. Okay, for this question, we need to first find the two unknown sides. So there's one unknown side here, the long one, and then a smaller one over here. So we need to find their lengths first, then we can find the perimeter. All right, let's take a look at the long side. How do we find its length? If we look over to the right, we can see that it's actually made up of three lengths. There are three smaller lengths. So there's one here, this, and this, and this. If you add these three up, they actually match up to make this long one. So we can actually add those three smaller sides up to find this missing length. So we have 2 plus 4 plus 6. Add up all the smaller yellow lengths to get the bigger yellow length. Okay, so let's see, 4 plus 6 we get 10, and then 10 plus 2 we get 12. So this missing length is 12 cm. Okay, now we take a look at the blue length that we need to find. Okay, is this small one here, and what other lengths can we use? Let's look up at this 11 cm, this long one. This 11 cm is actually made up of three smaller lengths. This blue unknown, and also this 4 cm and 3 cm. If you add up these 3, 4, and unknown, you will get the long 11 cm. So in order to find this missing length, we can take the long 11, minus away the small 3 and the small 4, and we get our unknown. Okay, so we can do 11 minus 3, that will give us 8, and then 8 minus 4 will give us 4. So this blue unknown is 4 cm. All right, very good. We have found all the unknown sides. Now we can start adding them up to find our perimeter. Okay. Now for this question, instead of finding or adding up all the sides one by one, since we have already calculated all the yellow and all the blue, let's do a shortcut method. Okay. So I'm going to write out here. This yellow part, if you add up all, is actually 12 cm, right? And then just now we found out that for the blue, we added all up and it is 11 cm. So see, the long blue is 11 and the long yellow is 12. And just now we found out that if we add up all the small yellows is also 12. If we add up all the small blues, it's also 11. So we have two groups of yellow, and we also have two groups of blue, right? So we just need to add all these groups up. Okay, so 2 groups of yellow means 2 times 12. And 2 groups of blue means 2 times 11. So I can do my working at the side. So 12 times 2 give me 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. So I'll get 24. And then 11 times 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2. you get 22. Okay, so this, all these are total of all the sides, which is actually equal to the perimeter, right? So in order to find the answer, the perimeter, we just need to add up all the sides. So we have 24 and 22. So we take 24 plus 22. And what will that give us? 24 plus 22. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we get 46. So that means our perimeter is actually 46 cm. Because this question is working in cm. Okay. Okay, do you understand? So we, instead of adding up one by one, we added up all the yellows first, and then all the blues, and then we added up yellow plus blue.